Personal space, a social story. At school, I see my friends, teachers, and other students every day. People at school have something called personal space. That means everyone needs a little room around their body to feel safe and comfortable. Personal space is like an invisible bubble. It helps people feel happy when we don't stand too close. I try to stay about an arm's length away when I talk to someone. That means I can stretch out my arm and not touch the other person. I don't hug, touch, or lean on people unless they say it's okay. I can ask, "Can I give you a high five?" and wait for the answer. If I forget, someone might say, "Please give me some space." That's okay. I can take a step back. I keep my hands to myself in class while waiting in line, even when it's hard for me to do. That shows I care about my friends' space and feelings. When I respect personal space, people feel safe around me, and I can make and keep good friends. I can do it. The end.